Hi, my name is Tasarame from Vogue Institution of Art and Design. My theme is Cultural Revival. It's inspired by the rich culture legacy of Arunachal Pradesh indigenous tribe. Cultural Revival presents a harmonious fusion of tribal motifs and a modern elegant selfhood.
अभी आपके सामने प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं तशर आमी का कल्चरल रिवाइवल। So let's welcome the designer of a cultural revival, Tasar Ami. What a stunning performance. It's a great show. Round of applause to this cultural revival by Tasar Ami.